Looking for a lightweight sewing machine that won't break your back or your budget? Whether you're heading to classes, moving between rooms, or just need something that's easy to store, weight matters. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best lightweight sewing machines that deliver serious performance without the heavy lifting. Links to all these machines are in the description box below, so let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Brother HC 1850. And honestly, this machine punches way above its weight class. You're getting 185 built-in stitches and 8 different buttonhole styles that perform like machines costing twice as much. The computerized features are incredibly user-friendly. That digital LCD screen makes stitch selection intuitively super, and you can see exactly what you're working with at a glance. The automatic needle threader saves time and frustration, especially when you're working on long projects. What really caught my attention during my research was the maximum stitch width of 7 mm and length of 5 mm. These measurements are above average for machines in this weight class, giving you greater adjustability for creative projects. The metal frame construction ensures stability without adding unnecessary bulk. Here's what you should know though. At around 13 to 14 pounds, it's the heaviest on this list. If you're looking for ultra portability to carry up and down stairs frequently, this might feel just a touch heavier than ideal. But honestly, the trade-off is worth it. The versatility is incredible. You're getting a wide table for larger quilting projects, drop-in bobbin system for easy threading, and enough stitch options to handle everything from basic repairs to advanced quilting. For sewers attending classes or working in small spaces, that's an absolute winner for this machine. At number 4, the Janome DC 1050 brings serious power in a compact package. Weighing just 12 pounds, this machine is lightweight, yet sturdy enough to handle everything from delicate cotton to tough leather materials. The DC motor is what sets this apart. You're getting 820 stitches per minute, which is seriously fast for a machine this light. That speed means you can finish projects quicker without sacrificing quality. The backlit LCD screen makes navigation effortless even in low light conditions. The one-hand needle threader is brilliant. Unlike some machines where threading feels like performing surgery, this system gets you up and running in seconds. The memorized needle up and down position is perfect for pivoting and precise corner work. The speed control slider gives you complete command over your pace. Here's the consideration. Janome machines tend to run at a slightly higher price point than comparable Brother models. You're paying for that superior build quality and powerful motor. But if budget is tight, it's something to think about. That said, the investment is solid. 50 built-in stitches cover all your basics and creative needs. The 3 one-step buttonholes are reliable and consistent. The adjustable presser foot pressure means you can switch from silk to denim without skipping a beat. For sewers attending classes or working in small spaces, this delivers professional results without the professional weight. Hitting the middle spot at number 3 is the Singer M1 500, and this is where lightweight truly means something. At just under 10 pounds, this is one of the most portable machines you'll find that still delivers reliable performance. The 57 stitch applications cover everything most sewers need for everyday projects. The easy stitch selection dial is clearly marked and straightforward, no complicated menus or digital screens to navigate. Preset stitch length and width eliminate guesswork, making this incredibly beginner-friendly while still capable for intermediate users. The metal interior frame is key here. Despite the lightweight body, you're getting stability and durability where it counts. The LED work light brightens your sewing area effectively, and the compact design means it fits perfectly in craft cabinets or small apartment spaces without dominating the room. Here's what to consider though. The preset stitch settings mean less customization compared to computerized models. If you're someone who loves tweaking every detail of stitch width and length, you might feel limited. But for most projects, the presets work perfectly fine. The 4-step buttonhole function is reliable and consistent. The machine handles multiple fabric types without complaint. The price point is incredibly attractive for the quality you're getting. For students, crafters taking classes, or anyone who needs to move their machine frequently, this combines true portability with Singer's legendary reliability. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Brother XM2701, and this machine is a breeze for beginners while still satisfying experienced sewers tackling light to medium projects. At approximately 12 pounds, it hits that sweet spot of portable yet sturdy enough to handle everything. The 27 built-in stitches include blind hem, decorative, and quilting options that cover most common sewing needs. The automatic needle threader is a game changer for reducing setup frustration. That jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system means fewer interruptions and more actual sewing time. The free arm capability is perfect for cylindrical items like cuffs, sleeves, and pant hems. The 6 included presser feet with quick change system give you versatility right out of the box. Here's the reality check. With 27 stitches, you have less variety than some of the models on this list. If you're planning elaborate decorative projects requiring dozens of specialty stitches, you might outgrow this eventually. But for the vast majority of home sewing, it's more than sufficient. The one-step buttonhole feature works consistently and professionally. The machine runs smoothly and quietly even at higher speeds. The price-to-performance ratio is exceptional, making this one of the best values in lightweight machines. For anyone prioritizing ease of use and reliable basics, you're getting exactly what you need without unnecessary complications. Taking the top spot is the Brother CS7000X, and this machine absolutely earns its place as the best lightweight sewing machine available. At 14 pounds, it balances portability with professional-grade features that'll grow with your skills for years. The 70 built-in stitches provide incredible variety for utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting projects. The LCD display makes stitch selection and customization crystal clear. The improved automatic needle threader is noticeably easier to use than previous Brother models, addressing one of the few complaints users had with earlier versions. The metal frame construction delivers stability during high-speed sewing without the machine walking across your table. 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes give you professional results every time. The jam-resistant drop-in bobbin is brilliantly designed. The included hard protective case is fantastic for transport and storage, protecting your investment between uses. Here's what to keep in mind. The LCD screen and computerized features mean more components that could theoretically need servicing down the road compared to purely mechanical machines. It's not a common issue, but it's worth considering for long-term ownership. The value still outweighs this concern. You're getting 10 presser feet included, plus a quilt guide and wide extension table. That's easily $100 worth of accessories at retail. The machine handles everything from lightweight silks to heavy denim with equal competence. At around $250, you're getting features found on machines costing $400 or more. Those are my top 5 picks for the best lightweight sewing machines available right now. Remember to check those links in the description to find the best current prices. Whichever machine fits your needs, you're getting portability without sacrificing quality. Happy sewing!